Morning folks, well today we are heading on the Manx Electric Railway on a tram to the summit of Snaefell. We're going to pick up the tram here in Douglas, Derby Castle. We are then going to change in Laxey to pick up another tram which is going to take us to Snaefell. Today's weather conditions aren't exactly perfect really. It's a bit foggy, but it's supposed to be clearing up, so the tram's over there waiting for us. Do we sit inside or out? Let's go outside. Now arrived at the summit of Snaefell. You can't see anything outside because it's foggy and it's raining. However, I'm having breakfast and I'm having steak pasty followed by an Americano. Yum.